Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to do spot trading on KuCoin. First, navigate to the KuCoin website or open the mobile app. Log into your account or register if you are new. Once logged in, locate the Trade section and select Spot Trading. This will take you to the trading interface where you can view various trading pairs and market data. Familiarize yourself with the layout before proceeding. To start trading, you need funds in your account. Deposit cryptocurrency or fiat currency into your main account, then transfer it to your trading account. Next, select your desired trading pair from the list, for example, Bitcoin versus USD. Decide whether you want to place a limit order, market order, or stop limit order. Input the price and the quantity of the asset you wish to buy or sell, then confirm your order. Understanding order types is crucial. A limit order allows you to set a specific price for your trade, ensuring it only executes when that price is met or bettered. Market orders, on the other hand, execute immediately at the current best available price. For risk management, consider using stop-loss orders to automatically sell an asset if its price drops to a certain level, helping to protect your capital from significant downturns. For more advanced trading, explore KuCoin's comprehensive charting tools and technical indicators to analyze market trends. Always conduct thorough research on any cryptocurrency before investing, understanding its fundamentals and potential risks. Remember to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other helpful deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.